jacket is necessary for my cool factor. If my cool factor is not at least a 7, we're fine.
I'm on the chairlift and I'm at Hoodoo right now in Central Oregon. I'm here with Alexis and Brian.
Oh, yeah.
We've got a bit of a crew behind us as well. And tonight is the, Thrifty Thursdays at Hoodoo. Let's go skiing.
Welcome to night skiing. I'm gonna be your guide.
Oh my God. You lost everything. Oh. It's not a night ski unless you've got a beer. Woo! Yep.
You're nerd mound, dude. Dude.
Look at your nerd mound.
I didn't know we were gonna bring selfie sticks out to skiing, dude. Jeez.
I cut my thumb on a beer and we found a ski patroller to fix me. Fix it up. I just have to find the socket it's in. Thank God.
Thank God I had Band-Aid.
For the beer cut.
Yeah. This could have been really terrible.
I know.
You might have gotten an infection.
Oh,
Who knows what kind of bacteria is in your gloves.
probably everything.
Yeah.
That's a problem with 2 people. It didn't work. Hold on. A race course? I'm not.